Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make meat roll only ways. Combine 500 g ground beef with 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp pepper, chopped onion, and 1 tablespoon herbs, then mix gently until evenly seasoned. Lay plastic wrap on the counter, form the meat into a flattened rectangle about 2 cm thick, and prepare for the next step by arranging fillings or leaving plain for a classic roll. Once your meat is seasoned and shaped, place fillings if desired, then roll using plastic wrap to form a tight log and remove excess air as you go. Twist ends of the wrap to seal and press gently to compact the meat evenly, ensuring consistent slices later. Refrigerate the wrapped roll for 30 minutes so it firms up and holds shape when you move on to cooking and searing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more useful recipes and tips. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to share more. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated in the kitchen with a reliable water bottle like the one you saw earlier. It keeps you focused during long prep and cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by searing the chilled meat roll on all sides in a hot pan to develop a rich crust and lock in flavor, then transfer to a preheated oven to finish cooking evenly. Use a meat thermometer to reach your desired internal temperature for safety and taste, and avoid overcooking, which dries the roll. Let the cooked roll rest for about 10 minutes so juices redistribute, then slice into even rounds for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.